In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL in Google Sites easily and effectively. Whether you're updating your site's appearance or simply refining its web address for better accessibility, this guide will walk you through the entire process in less than 5 minutes. Let's dive in to ensure your site's URL is exactly how you want it. First, you need to navigate to Google Sites and open the site you want to modify. Once there, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where the Publish button is located. Next to it, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click on this arrow. This simple action will reveal a menu with additional options related to your site's publishing settings. From the drop-down menu, select Publish Settings. This will open a new window that specifically controls how your site is made public, including its URL. At this stage, you'll want to focus on the web address section. Here you can edit the existing web address to reflect what you desire. Whether you're opting for a complete makeover of the URL or just a slight modification, make sure that your new URL is both memorable and representative of your site's content. As you're editing the web address, keep in mind that it needs to meet certain Google Sites requirements. Avoid spaces and special characters and ensure it is concise yet descriptive. If the address you've entered is available, you'll see confirmation, but if not, try a different variant or check to see if you might have made a small error in the address formatting. Once you're satisfied with your edits, the next step is to make these changes official. Look for the Save button and click it. This action will apply your changes and update the web address of your Google site. It's as simple as that. Now, as a final piece of advice, it's always a good idea to test your new URL. Simply open a new browser tab and enter your updated web address to ensure that the page loads correctly. This also gives you a chance to verify that everything is in working order and appears as it should. If any issues arise, retrace the steps to confirm all settings are correct. And there you have it. Changing the URL in Google Sites is a straightforward process that can be completed quickly with just a few clicks. By following this guide, you can customize your site's address in no time, helping your visitors find you more easily and ensuring your site reflects exactly what you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.